think she fit.
What?
Too fucking big.
What? Are you serious, Dad?
What?
I gotta make a movie.
I'm making a. We gotta put oil on that rubber.
Too big.
Let's check. Where's the other one? Look at the end of the other one. Look at the end of the other filter.
Too big. I might have to put this old one back on. No choice.
No, it's the same. It's the same. You gotta coat the rubber good, man.
Yeah, okay, I just want to see the fit, that's all.
Well, you're too close to the... You can hear it rubbing on the motor. Shouldn't be rubbing on the motor when you're twisting it. You got it crooked. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We're making a movie.
Wayne floating in oil?
He don't know how to get his filter back on.
Oh my God, look at the mess you got in my driveway.
I know, we have to put some...
You better pour some gas on that and later.
Not gas. I can wipe it out. Ah, that's too big.
No, it ain't. You had it crooked as fuck. That must be Lenny.
Slow it down. That's Ashley, not Cheech.
Slow it down. Whoever you are, get the fuck on my face. Hey, don't look at me like that. You watch your dog try to bite me again, and you go sit there.
Making a movie.
Making a movie.
What?
Porno.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't move it yet.
Wayne, what'd you do to your truck now?
It's too big.
You're just too small.
Get that other filter out and match it up.